YouTube and YouTube for small business. That's what I'm talking about today. Hey everybody, I'm designer Frank Blanchard AIFD, and welcome if you're new here. If you are a small business professional, potentially a business professional within the floral industry of some sort, this is definitely the place for you, because I focus on all things business and kind of the tech side of how we need to create successful businesses. So if you like that kind of content, definitely give this thumbs up, and if you'd like, subscribe to the channel down below and hit that bell icon if you're so inclined. That way you'll get notifications when I do upload new content for you. But today I want to focus on the benefits of YouTube for your video marketing efforts for your small business. One thing that I think a lot of people are not aware of is YouTube is a search engine. It is owned by Google, and thus it is the world's second largest search engine. In fact, 93% of everybody online in the world, if they are searching for anything, whether it's school related, work related, entertainment related, really anything, they use either Google or YouTube to search for it. Again, that's 93% of everybody that's online. So you can't underestimate the power of Google and YouTube especially. And considering YouTube, of that 93%, in the United States alone, only 10% of small businesses even use YouTube for marketing. Consequently, the competition pool for getting your content out there is really small. Now, one thing I have found talking with a lot of other small business professionals, and especially small business professionals within the floral industry, so like retail flower shops, floral designers, etc., I think there is kind of a preconceived idea that YouTube is nothing but how-to videos, which I will say on YouTube, yes, there are a lot of how-to videos, but there is also a lot of just informational-based content on the platform as well. And for small businesses of any kind, and especially for creative type artists, floral designers, etc., it's really an opportunity that people are not making use of like they could, and potentially really benefit from if it's worked correctly. One thing I have found that is different about YouTube compared to other social media, which are not search engines, and with that, I'm talking specifically about Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. All of those platforms are really geared more for short-term marketing, where you're wanting to generate business quickly. You are, to a certain extent, working to also build your audience with social media. But for the most part, what you're creating would be considered more short-term marketing, and you're intentionally seeking and working on getting more business in the short term, right here and now. YouTube, on the other hand, is more of a platform where we have the real benefit of creating what would be considered evergreen content, meaning content that you might create and upload today is still relevant, correct, and accurate information for somebody a year from now, or 2 years from now, or even 3 years down the road or longer. And if you are a small business owner and an entrepreneur running some sort of a business, I would say most of us are doing it because we really want to be in business and operate our own business for the long term. So, the benefit of YouTube and creating evergreen content on the platform is really beneficial in order to help you build your brand and brand awareness and grow your audience. When you think of all of our forms of marketing online, whether it's YouTube or our Google My Business local listing page or any of our social media, if you work all of them correctly, you can actually gain benefits on platforms from other platforms. So your YouTube channel can help strengthen and grow your Facebook page. Your Instagram feed can help grow and get more people following you on YouTube and or Facebook. They're all connected and you can benefit from all of them. One of the big tricks with YouTube and being successful on YouTube, unlike other social media, is you're creating video content, but it's not just a matter of creating that video content, you're uploading it and you're done. For Facebook, Instagram, that kind of works. But for YouTube especially, and because you are putting this information directly into the second largest search engine, you want to be thinking how to optimize your information as best you can. So the golden rule for creating YouTube video for small business, and in order to make sure that people actually see it, you really need to think about really thought out thumbnails, the title of your video, and the description and tags for your video. Just like your website for your business and also your social media streams for your business, tags on YouTube are really your means of telling the YouTube algorithm what each of your videos is about. So that's really important. And including those tags within the text of your video description are also really important. Now, one of the ways that can really jumpstart your video marketing efforts and help you grow as fast as you can on the YouTube platform is using one of the keyword research tools. Now, specifically for YouTube, there are two that are directly connected and work with YouTube, and they are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. I actually utilize both of them. And right now, I have really found that TubeBuddy by far is what is helping me grow the fastest on the platform. It's not just about keyword research. There are a lot of other things that you can research within TubeBuddy on the YouTube platform to see what your competition might or might not be doing. And you can also see what kinds of keywords they're using. And you can really look at other videos that you really look up to their channel and really admire what they're doing. And you can see how they have optimized their channel and their videos so that you can make note of those things and try to put into play the same techniques. If you would like to try out vidIQ or TubeBuddy, especially TubeBuddy, I've got links in the description down below, and TubeBuddy is one of those keyword research tools for the YouTube platform that has a free plan, so you don't necessarily have to pay for it. However, if you do pay for one of the upgraded plans with TubeBuddy, there are a whole lot more optimization techniques and tools available to you that can help you grow even faster. But that all said, if you are really trying to grow your business and develop your brand and grow your audience, don't underestimate the power of video marketing on the YouTube platform. And definitely check out the link for TubeBuddy down below, even if you just take a look at it to see what it's all about. And they have a lot of helpful tutorial videos on the YouTube platform, specifically on the topic of using TubeBuddy in order to help you grow your channel here on the YouTube platform. Hopefully you like that content today. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And I've got some other videos over here in the end screen that I would encourage you to check out. If you are a small business owner, you own a retail florist business of some sort, I really encourage you to check them out because they will definitely help you with the business and tech side of your business venture. So until next time, be well, everybody, and let's go over to these other videos, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.